These days everyone talks about resistance training or lifting weights. One popular reason we all have heard is that it helps in preserving muscle mass. Let's see what are its other benefits rather than just building muscle. Resistance training is also called weight training or strength training. It is performed using equipment like dumbbells, resistance bands/tubes, and machines in a gym. These exercises are performed against an external resistance with specific number of repetitions which form a set. Resistance training loads the muscles and forces it to adapt by giving benefits like improved strength and muscle size increase too. Apart from these, there are many other positive effects of resistance training for diabetics, as well as those suffering from poor musculoskeletal health, bone health, and also mental health. Studies have shown that resistance training along with aerobic exercises is beneficial in improving insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Aerobic exercises improve insulin sensitivity, and resistance training helps with glucose uptake from blood. Age-related decline in muscle function can be mitigated by lifting weights regularly. Bone mineral density is also higher in those who engage in regular strength training versus any other form of exercise. Resistance exercise has also shown improvements in blood cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health, in better regulation of thyroid hormones, and decrease in fatigue, anxiety, and depression. It also helps in improving movements, mobility and cognitive function in older adults. Westcott W.L., 2012. Resistance training has something to offer everyone across all age groups from adolescents, youth, middle age to our young at heart seniors. Don't let lack of experience or equipment hold you back from experiencing its benefits. Seek guidance and start with body weight training. Like us, do you enjoy lifting weights? What do you tell people who say they find it boring?